Welcome back to Imagine Autos. Automobile today, we're diving into the brand new 2026 Toyota Corolla. And trust me, Toyota has packed in just enough updates to keep this icon at the top of its game. Stick around because we've got a special edition throwback model that Corolla fans are going to love. The Toyota Corolla has been around since the 1960s, and for decades it's built its reputation on three things: affordability, dependability, and everyday usability. And that's exactly why it's still one of the most recognized compact cars in the world. Now, 2026 isn't a full redesign year. That comes in 2027, but Toyota has given the Corolla some key updates to keep it fresh in a super competitive market. Pricing starts at around $25,000. And if you go for higher trims like the hybrid, expect it to reach about $31,000. Deliveries begin in the second half of 2025, so buyers won't have to wait too long. One of the biggest highlights this year? The Corolla Hatchback FX Special Edition. This is a tribute to the legendary Corolla FX16 from 1987, and only 1,600 units will be available worldwide. On the outside, you get heritage-inspired touches like a vintage black wing, retro badging, and gloss white 18-inch wheels. Color choices include blue crush metallic, ice cap, or inferno. Inside, it's sport-inspired with black suede seats, orange stitching, and yes, standard wireless charging. Under the hood, the gas-powered Corolla keeps its 2.0L four-cylinder engine, pushing out 169 horsepower and 151 lb-ft of torque. It hits 0 to 60 in about 8.2 seconds while still delivering up to 41 miles per gallon on the highway. Prefer efficiency? The Corolla Hybrid is still the champ. With 138 horsepower, it offers an outstanding 50 miles per gallon in the city. You can even opt for all-wheel drive with a second electric motor. And while that's slightly less efficient, it still delivers solid numbers. And Toyota's not stopping there. Looking ahead to 2027, we might see a more powerful hybrid with nearly 200 horsepower and even a plug-in hybrid with around 44 miles of electric-only driving. Plus, the beastly GR Corolla is expected to return with even more performance. Safety? Every 2026 Corolla comes standard with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, emergency braking, and more. So, whether you're after reliability, efficiency, or a touch of heritage nostalgia, the 2026 Corolla has subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss our upcoming deep dive into the 2027 redesign. Oncoming automobiles sparkles something for you. What do you think? Would you go for the Special FX Edition or stick with the classic hybrid? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like,